Hello everyone, so today in this video we will perform the estimation of lactic acid. Ingredients which we need: lactic acid, sodium hydroxide, HCl, water. These are the ingredients. First of all, we will add in this the iodine flask, the lactic acid. After that we will add the water. We will add the sodium hydroxide, which is 10 ml. After that we will not add here, we will just mix it, these few ingredients, and then we will not put the HCl in this mixture for this time, right? We will use HCl for the titration in the burette. Now we will add in this mixture the phenolphthalein, which is an indicator, drop wise drop. So the color of these three ingredients, which are the water, sodium hydroxide and lactic acid, now the color has been changed, which is a pink color, and we will shake it and leave it for the 30 minutes. After 30 minutes we will perform the titration process on this mixture. Now 30 minutes has been passed. Now we will add HCl into the burette. The initial reading is the 0 in this burette. Now we will add the HCl drop wise drop in this mixture until the color changed into the white, and we will note down the reading of that point. Now we will perform another process. We will add the milk cow, and then we will add the water, which is 10 ml. Now we will add the sodium hydroxide solution, 10 ml, and then we will repeat the same process. We will add the iodine, we will add the indicator, which is the phenolphthalein, and wait for the color change, which is pink in color. Now we will shake it and leave it for the 30 minutes this way. Now you can see the beautiful color of this mixture. After that we will wait for the 30 minutes that color changes. Now after 30 minutes we will put the HCl into the burette as we did in previous. The initial reading will be 0 in the burette. After that we will add this HCl drop wise drop into the mixture of sodium hydroxide, water, phenolphthalein and the milk, and then we will note down the reading, that at which point the pink color disappears and converts into the white color, pure white. So that reading will indicate as the titration of the mixture. We are setting here the burette fix. This is the safe precaution for us, for students, that we must tight the burette into this instrument, because if it loosen, then HCl can be fall on our hands, and that will be the dangerous for our skin and hands, right? So we will add drop wise drop HCl in this mixture and wait for the white color, and then we will note down that reading, that at that point titration has been occurred, and then we will calculate the readings and estimate the percentage of lactic acid in the solutions. Okay, the standard value of that solution I will tell you later, that is the 0.0900 something. I have noted on my notebook, which I will show you in the end. We are waiting for the color that changes into the white. So here color has been changed. Now you can see the readings over here. You may read it. As you can see, the first and second multiply with the standard value. Thank you.